Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson and you are watching Southern Crush at Home. If you are new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I put out one of these awesome videos. So today we're gonna have so much fun getting spooky. We're gonna take regular items like a whisk, yes, a regular whisk, a pizza pan, and a mug, and turn them into super cute and fun Halloween decor. So sit back, relax, watch the video, and let me know in the comments which one of these projects is your favorite. And if you are loving these kind of videos and want to watch them come alive in real life, in real time, then you're gonna wanna join my VIP group. And I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. For this first project, you're just gonna take a Dollar Tree pizza pan and paint it in white. You can just use some acrylic paint or chalk paint for this. And then I grabbed the Dollar Tree creepy cloth. This was my first time to use the creepy cloth. It was super easy and super fun. And for $1.25, it made a really fun, spooky Halloween project. I just took some hot glue and randomly added the creepy cloth all back and forth over this pizza pan that I painted white. Now you don't have to paint it white. It might even look good in a black color or an off-white color. I just did it white because I was just trying it out. So anyway, and then I just spread it around a little bit. Again, I'm just adding hot glue and gluing this creepy cloth onto the pizza pan. Now try to be careful not to burn your hands because it is sheer cloth. Then I added these two little fun googly eyes from another Dollar Tree bag of a project. It's just one of those little kid kits, craft kits, and they were super cute. I added a magnet to this deco mesh bow that we made on one of my Bow Wednesday projects. And then this is just a fun little sign. I grabbed a piece of burlap and dog-eared it, and then took these Dollar Tree sticker letters and added the word boo to the burlap. This made the perfect little statement piece for this mummy. Absolutely love it. Once I got all the stickers on there placed just like I wanted them, I went back and added these two little plastic spiders, again from the Dollar Tree, with some hot glue. Now this turned out to be one of the cutest little pizza pan crafts ever. It has the cute little boo sign, the googly eyes, and the spider bow. Oh my gosh, I think she is adorable. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So for the second craft, we're going to use some of these Magnolia Stencils. If you are not familiar with these, I will link them in the description below, but they are the very easiest way to make a really high-end looking craft, and you don't have to be a super duper artist. So this one says trick or treat, and I'm taking some chalk paste in the color Tiger Orange or Orange Tiger, I'm not really sure. And then I'm just spreading it evenly across the stencil. And then we're going to rub off the excess back into the jar and reveal our I'm trying to say sticker, reveal our stencil. It is so cute. I'm adding a little water over here to the stencil just to kind of save it because they are super reusable. And then I'm just using the heat gun to do a little quick dry so that we can finish this project. Now I'm putting a little bit of the same orange paste over here onto a tray so that I can use my pouncer and make little polka dots all over the mug. Now when you're doing polka dots, you press down and do a slight twist when you are removing it off of there. And I just did it in a random pattern. A lot of times if you do it in the shape of a dice, it's really cute. Now I took a little embosser tool from the Dollar Tree and added really little tiny pin dots to make our second size dots on our mug. And then at the end, I decided I wanted a third size dot. So I took a pencil with the eraser tip and just added medium-sized dots to our really stinking cute trick-or-treat mug. Now to make it a little scarier, I took a popsicle stick and one of these Dollar Tree hands. They come in a pack of 10, and I clipped off the end so that it would be the right size to fit down into the mug. I added a little bit of the orange chalk paste again all over the hand and the popsicle stick to make it match with the mug, tucked a little Buffalo Check napkin in, and what do you think? What a cute little trick-or-treat mug that you could fill with candy and give to a coworker. So for the third project, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree rainbow decor piece and some of the nautical rope. I'm gonna simply glue this rope over and over onto this rainbow piece of decor. Now, I think it took about 6 packages of the nautical rope, but it turns out so stinking cute. I think I'm gonna do this project again in the spring for a really cute boho macrame look. It is so easy. Now, I just went over each piece of rope and I made sure that it was loose and not really tight, or it would stretch it and be different sizes. So I wanted it to be look like it all went together. And I just glued it and glued it and glued it and glued it. This project I did live over on my Facebook page, and I ended up having to do it in 2 parts because it was a little bit time consuming, but it was so worth it in the end. Now I added all of the 6 ropes, and they were, you know, different lengths at the bottom, but I did my best to try to get them similar in length. And if they were too long, I would cut them off and start over. And you can see I'm kind of winding it down here, getting it down into the center of the rainbow. So I got there and I was like, oh, wait, we got to glue it to the inside rope to finish it off. So I just continued along the inside rope with the hot glue until every single piece was covered and it was solid. Of course, if you were doing a rainbow, you wouldn't need to do this, but since we're making a really cute ghost, we want to make sure that we fill in all the spots. Now, I'm gonna do the fun part. This is unbraiding the nautical rope. So you're just gonna untwist and loosely get these pieces separated so that they mimic the look of macrame. It sort of looks like the ghost got a perm, or she has really curly hair at the bottom. I called them legs, but some people called them a skirt. Some people said that this looked like a squid, but personally I think that she is perfect and looks just like a little ghost. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This was really therapeutic to unravel these. It took, like I said, quite a while, but it was all within a couple hours. I had this project done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and trim all of the base of the rope just to kind of even it up a little bit because again, the ropes were different lengths once I did unravel them. And but just it's super easy to trim them up and get them all equal here if you want to. You could leave it scraggly. Then I took some of the Crafter Square black felt and cut out 2 eyes and a mouth for our little friendly ghost here. And I hot glued them as well as one of my signature messy bows. I will link how to make a messy bow in the comments below. Right here to finish off our friendly ghost. She is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Had to decide where to put the bow. I think I kind of messed around a little bit. I was like, oh, do I put it at the top? Do I put it on the side? Where exactly do we put the bow? And ultimately I just did it off-centered over here onto the side. And then it was really easy to slip back in that little hanger that the rainbow decor came with and hang it on my front door. What do you think? I absolutely love this DIY. All right, so this one was an oldie but goodie I wanted to bring back. I decoupaged some Dollar Tree fabric onto this Eek. It's Eek decor piece. And then I used this burn method. It's a really popular method so that you don't have to sand all of those edges. You literally just light it on fire and it burns back to the point where you decoupaged it. So this works with fabric or napkins, either one. It looks like I'm burning down the house. You guys, it's not as dangerous as it looks, but it is you do get nervous the first time you do it, but it is super duper fun. And I think that as long as you are in a well-ventilated place and confident in your skills, it's a really fun way to make a piece of decor with decoupaging, napkins or fabrics. So then I took a Sharpie and I just darkened the edges because they did have a little bit of the burn look. So this was my mantle last Halloween. I had those little broom gnomes and then the little Eek sign, so cute up there on the mantle with the witch's legs. So I am also making a fun spider with this whisk. So you might be thinking, oh my gosh, a whisk? Yes, a whisk. So you can use these rubber lined whisks from the Dollar Tree, bend them all apart like I showed you, and then take a couple of the extra legs off, because spiders only have 4 legs on each side, and I wanted to make sure that it was anatomically correct. Took the wire cutters and cut the whisk, the loops into the individual legs, and then I just bent them into shape here. This was another oldie but goodie from last year, but I really loved the way that it turned out. And again, I incorporated one of my messy bows that I will again link below in the comments on how to make one of those. And I added the little googly eye crafty piece of supply from the Dollar Tree to my messy bow so that it looked like an actual spider. In the end, I decided to glue the messy bow spider into the middle, and I added a little cute little metal hat to my spider. Isn't she cute? Looky there. I just set her down into this little Dollar Tree vase just to kind of finish off the look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.